Hello everyone.
What are you playing right now?
I'm playing the car.
What car?
This car, the big car.
What colors are the cars?
They are green, blue, red, and yellow.
Alright. Are there any numbers on the car?
Yeah. Got 89. Got 62. Got 23 and got 52.
52. That's good. And how many cars do you have?
I got 1, 2, and 3, and 4.
Oh, you have 4 cars. Great. Which car is your favorite?
The car is blue, red,
So you like blue and red?
and yellow and green.
And yellow and green. You like all the cars. And what are you doing now?
I'm going to carry the car.
You are going to
Carry the car. Carry.
carry the car?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put the car on the, what is this called?
It's transport one.
Transport truck. Alright, let's put the blue car and the red car on the top level. And the green car and the yellow car on the second level, the lower level. And let's lock up the ramp.
You have to lock.
Yes. Lock it. Oh, it's done. So where is the transport truck going?
The transport truck going to Ipoh.
Going to Ipoh. Where is Ipoh?
The Ipoh is here.
It's there. Ipoh, Malaysia. It's there. Okay, let's go to Ipoh.
We have to open the door.
Open which door?
Open the Ipoh door.
Open the Ipoh door. Okay, open. Let the truck in.
Okay, so now we Ipoh.
What are you looking at? You're looking at the
Mirror.
mirror. Whoa, there's a mirror. Oh, there's a box of tissue there. Let's move it away. That's Ryno, a mirror.
Oh, got traffic lights.
There's a traffic lights.
Got
What
traffic
color
light.
is the traffic lights now?
It's yellow and black.
Yellow and black.
Yeah.
Oh, not the car traffic light. It's a train traffic light, is it?
It's train crossing.
Or train crossing. You're right. And how's the sound of the traffic lights?
It's ding 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 ding. It's ding 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 ding.
Okay. Has the train crossed yet? Has the train moved yet?
Yeah, the train is gone.
The train is gone. Okay, so now the barrier goes up. Okay, now the transport truck can continue moving.
The transport truck has to stop
Why does it need to stop?
because got a train coming
Oh, another train is coming. So the barrier goes up or down?
down and up.
Down and up. So what the sound does it make?
It's ding 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 ding.
Okay, barrier is up. So can the transport truck move now?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's move it.
Oh, the transport truck has to reverse
Why does it need to reverse?
because the Because the barrier is down.
Oh, the train crossing barrier is down again.
Oh,
And what's the sound?
it's
Isn't it tang, tang, tang like that?
yeah, it's dang, 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 dang.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, the ram has dropped. Okay, are we there yet? Has the transport truck reached Ipoh yet?
Yeah,
Yes?
reaching.
So shall we unload the cars? Hey, why do you keep looking at the mirror?
Because I want to see.
Because you want to see.
Hmm?
Okay, let's unload the truck. Unload the cars. What color is it?
It's yellow and green,
Yellow and green.
and red and blue.
Oh, that's quick.
It's sliding down.
They slide down the ramp. And let's put the ramp back up.
That's up and goes it. You have to look.
Yes, it's locked. The ramps are locked.
Okay.
Let's park the transport truck.
The transport truck is coming. Oh, they have to lock.
Lock it, okay.
They have to lock. I don't know
Up.
how to
It
lock.
goes up and lock. Okay, done.
There's that super truck. Everything.
What sound does the transport truck make?
That's the gas. They have to lock.
Okay, it's locked already. See?
They have to lock.
It's already locked.
The basket coming out.
Oh, okay. Let's load the cars on the transport truck again.
Okay, look at first. Look at first.
Which car first? Which car goes on the top level? On the top,
Look at.
blue car. Let's load the blue car. What's the sound? Oh, it's doing a somersault. And next,
Now it's Rita.
red car. Any sound?
Got no sound.
No sound. Okay, the blue car and the red car are up, have been loaded on the ramp. Next, which color, which car goes in?
Green car.
The green car. Green car goes into the lower ramp and
Red
next,
car.
yes, it's a yellow car next. Let's lock.
Oh,
Oh, it has dropped.
you have to lock. You have to lock.
Oh no! Okay, let's pick it up.
You have to pick up.
Okay, I'll pick it up for you. It's there. Okay, let's put the blue car and the red car and up. See, let's lock it in. Okay, there you go. Is there a driver in a transport truck?
Yeah.
Yes. But you can't see him. It's dark.
Good name. Good name, Papa. Good name of the park. Okay. 6, 0, and 3.
You mean the plate number?
Yeah.
Let's see. RJ6603. Okay. That is the license plate number of the truck. Okay. Let's move the truck away and say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Look here and say bye bye.
Bye bye.